Stop spending £200 to protect your hair. My hair is completely straight. Hi girls, I'm Zoe. As you can see, my hair is not bent, no split ends, and this is the results of using Remington. Today we are unboxing the Remington straightener. We have a little pouch for storage, and we have a quick guide with instructions in it. So let's go and power it up. As you can see, my hair is far from straight. This is my natural hair. Just washed it so you can see what we have to do. And powering on. I can actually feel it heating up already. It says it takes around 15 seconds to warm up. I would say it takes less. First time you use it, or power it on actually, don't worry about smell. You will smell, obviously. It is because it's a new product. So let's start with the front part. It's definitely hot. Hot, hot, hot. Let's do my trick. Definitely does straighten it. Let's see if you can style it. Yes, you can. Good thing is, when you have your hands around to style, you can feel it warm, but it's actually not burning your fingers. That other products I have used do burn your fingers, and it's not fun. So that's a strand that is quite curly. I find it easier if I comb it once. So, what do you think? So this is the Remington straightener with infused argan oil. I've been using Remington products for over 2 years now, and I have to tell you, stop spending £200 to protect your hair. So as you can see, my hair is completely straight. Stop spending £200 to protect your hair when you can get Remington products for so much less. You can see, nice, shiny, very straight. I think you can see on the camera that I have not damaged my hair. I've been using them 4 years. So girls, let me know, which products do you use for your hairstyling? And if you've got any funny stories or tragic stories, Just let me know in the comments.